So over here in the site that I have right here, I got some blog post. But over here, you can see that I have an option to go ahead and share it in Facebook and X right here or LinkedIn. But I don't have a RSS feed subscription button right here. If you want to go ahead and include that in your blog, on your Strikingly page right here, where you have your blog right here from the dashboard, you can go to Manage Blog Posts. Then what you can do is simply go to blog setting and here enable the RSS feed. So generate RSS feed is an option, as you can see. So if you were to go ahead and save it out right here, now if I were to go ahead and refresh out that page, you will be able to see the RSS feed icon right here that people can use to subscribe to your blog. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, this is the RSS feed information, as you can see in XML file, that they can go ahead and track using the application of their choice. So that is simply how you can go ahead and generate out RSS feed as you like in the blog that you have inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.